In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Notion. If you want to make your Notion page feel more visual, expressive, or just a little more fun, adding a GIF is a quick and easy way to do it. GIFs can be useful for breaking up large sections of text, adding personality to dashboards, or creating a more engaging page layout. The good news is that Notion makes this process very simple, and you can do it directly inside the page without needing to download anything first. To get started, open the Notion page where you want your GIF to appear. Go to the exact spot on the page where you want to place it because the GIF will be inserted into that block area. Once your cursor is there, type /image, written as /image, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This opens the image block options and tells Notion that you want to insert some kind of visual content into the page. After that, look for the option labeled Giphy in the menu and select it. This is the built-in GIF search tool that lets you browse animated images without leaving Notion. It's a convenient option because everything happens right inside your workspace, which keeps the process fast and smooth. Now you'll see a search bar. Type a keyword that matches the kind of GIF you want to use. For example, you might search for something related to celebration, productivity, reaction, or any theme that fits your page. Try to choose a keyword that's specific enough to give you better results, especially if you are looking for a certain mood or style. Once the search results appear, click on the GIF you like best. As soon as you select it, Notion will automatically insert it onto your page. You don't need to copy and paste anything manually. And here is no extra confirmation step required. If the GIF doesn't feel quite right once it's on the page, you can always remove it and repeat the same process to try another one. It's a very flexible feature, so feel free to test a few different options until you find one that matches the look and tone of your workspace. And that's all it takes to add a GIF in Notion. It's a simple feature, but it can make your pages feel much more dynamic and visually engaging.